In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoCharting Paper Trading. This is a great way to practice your trading skills without any risk. So let's get started. First, open GoCharting on your browser. To do this, simply type GoCharting into your search engine. Once the website loads, you will see a range of options and features. This platform is incredibly versatile, providing various tools to help you analyze and interpret market data. Next up, you'll want to click on the Trading button. This is usually located at the top of the page. Clicking here will take you to the trading dashboard. This area is designed to give you everything you need to manage your trades and explore market trends. Now, look for the Brokers option and give it a click. This will show you a list of available brokers that GoCharting supports. Understanding these brokers is crucial, as they serve as intermediaries in your trading activities. After that, scroll down until you find Launch GoCharting Free. This is your gateway to start paper trading without any financial commitment. Clicking on this option will open up a new interface where you can practice trading with virtual money. This is important because it allows you to learn without the fear of losing real funds. With that ready, choose the ticker you want to test. A ticker represents a specific stock or asset you are interested in. Selecting the right ticker is key to focusing your analysis and strategies. Once you've made your choice, head to the top right corner. At this point, decide whether you want to buy or sell. Clicking buy or sell will initiate a mock trade, allowing you to see how your decisions play out in real time. This simulation is vital for testing your trading strategies and gaining confidence. Remember, this experience helps you understand market dynamics better without risking your capital. As you engage in paper trading, keep an eye on how the market responds to your actions. This feedback loop is invaluable for refining your approach and improving your decision-making skills. From there, continue experimenting with different trades, observing the outcomes. This continuous practice will build your expertise and prepare you for real-world trading. Finally, don't forget to review your trades regularly. Analyzing your performance, even in a simulated environment, provides insights into what strategies work best. This reflection is crucial for continuous learning and growth as a trader. With everything set up, you're now ready to explore the world of paper trading with GoCharting. This method is ideal for honing your skills and expanding your market knowledge. Thank you for following along. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting and learning to become a proficient trader.